I am standing inside this charming two-story townhome hosting an open house, and let me just tell you, I had tons of traffic come through just within the last hour. So as you can imagine, spring and summer is the busiest time for us in real estate. So it's definitely a good thing for everyone here in Raleigh that the market is crazy busy as it has been. The real estate market changes all the time. It constantly goes back and forth. But one thing for sure, I would never want my clients to think that I'm too busy for them. We don't have so much business that we just can't keep up with our clients, friends, advocates. I would never want anyone to think that I'm simply just too busy to take referrals. Our business is based on referrals. Yes, the market is crazy busy. Yes, I am constantly showing homes. Yes, I am constantly selling, but never too busy to take referrals and never too busy for any clients. So those are my thoughts. If you guys have any questions, comments, feel free to send me an email at jigisha.patel@allentate.com.